Welcome to Real Civil YouTube channel. Let's see how to download and install Live 365. Okay, just Google it, Live 365. Here you will see download software or manual. Click on it. Now here Live 365 version 2.2.3 Windows install file. Click here. Then it will start the downloading. Once you download, then here you can install. There is one option called as install. Wait for few seconds. Here you can click on run anyway. Install anyway. Click on next. Click here complete. Click on install. Now the installation process has started. Wait for few seconds. It will get installed very quickly. So click on finish. Okay, the installation process is complete. Now search here Live 365. Now here you can, I will just show you, just click on create new project. Okay, now the software is with you. Now you can work with this software. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe Real Civil YouTube channel.